Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi problems on Vivo. If you're using a Vivo phone and you are having any issue in your Wi-Fi, so let's see how can you fix it. For this you must have to open your Wi-Fi settings, just look for Wi-Fi and keep a long press on it, then open more Wi-Fi settings. But if you won't get Wi-Fi settings here, you just have to go for settings. In settings, look for Wi-Fi and select it, and here you can easily manage your Wi-Fi. First way is that you have to disable your Wi-Fi or turn off your Wi-Fi, then turn it on again and reconnect the network. But if you are having the issues, so just have to tap on settings, then forget, and after that reconnect to the same network. Just select and enter the password of the Wi-Fi as I have entered, then tap on connect, and here you can see the Wi-Fi has been connected. But if the same issue you are having, you just have to go scroll down and look for flight mode or airplane mode in your phone. You just have to enable it, briefly wait for almost 5 or 10 seconds, and then disable it again. It will make a quick refresh in your network settings, and after that you must have to turn on Wi-Fi and then connect to the network. But if your issue will not solve, you must have to press and hold the power button and then select restart to restart your phone. After restarting, if you are having the same issue, you have to make a final step, which is make a reset of your all of your settings. So go for settings, and in settings you just have to look for system management or reset settings. Here's the reset option, just tap on it, and here you will get the option of reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth, or reset network setting. You have to select it and then select reset settings, and after that your all Wi-Fi data, Bluetooth data and mobile network data will be completely reset, and after that your problem is fixed. But if you are having the same issues, so you have to go for to check for the system hardware. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.